Scalify is not only a Facebook Ads manager and creation platform, you can also have a really powerful analytics section as well. It fully integrates with all kinds of web shops, Google Analytics, Facebook Ads Manager, and much more. So let us show you how that looks. Not only does Scalify help you with creating fantastic looking Facebook ads and do that in a really beautiful interface, you can also use Scalify to do all kinds of analytics through their native integrations, for example, with the Facebook pages, with Google Analytics and stuff like this. So once at the Analyze tab in your Scalify account, you can see all these kinds of metrics, right? So you have the overview of the Facebook Ads Manager, so the overview of all the campaigns. You will have your reach, and you can add basically any kind of widget as well. So you can just press the drop down and you can go to change metric. From here, you will have these metrics available. So you will have Facebook, and if you go to Facebook, you will have ad performance, ad engagement, video engagement. If you go to Shopify, you will have these kinds of metrics available to you. For Google Analytics, you will have these, you can see. So there is a really extensive analyzing dashboard which you can fully customize to your own liking. So let's go with Facebook, and let's say we're going to go with ad performance. Let's say we are going to go with amount spent. Now this is a demo account, so this will not show anything, but as you can see, it's really easily customizable. So if we want to add a widget, not sure if we reached our max, it does seem so. There we go. And we can say we want to add one metric, we want to do multiple metrics, we want to do a world map, or we can just cancel. But for example, you have this world map where you can see the visits happening, you can have an overview of the orders. So where are the orders coming from? It's all being displayed throughout the integration with the metrics in Scalify. So Scalify also brings a really powerful analyzing system of a complete overview of your Facebook Ad Manager, your web shop, your Google Analytics. Everything is available in one powerful dashboard. So having Scalify as an all-round platform, not only for your Facebook advertising, but also for your analytics, makes it a really all-in-one tool that every business needs. So be sure to grab your copy of Scalify today and give it a try yourself.